Now we are looking at angles made by transversal with two lines. So let's consider line L and M as two lines and line N be their transversal, intersecting both at point P and Q. So it will look like this. Let's say this is line L and this is line M. L and M, and N is intersecting both at point P and Q. So in intersection it forms these angles. So let's say this one, and this and this. So if we just put the numbers on them, like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 angles are formed, and based on their position and their arms, we can divide into the following categories. Let's say first, exterior angles. So what are exterior angles? The angles whose arms do not include the line segment PQ are the exterior angles. So we'll just draw the figure once again. This is L, M, and we are intersecting with line N. So angle forms are this, and this is the point of intersection P and Q. So this is transversal to N, is a transversal to lines M, L and M, and they are forming angles over here, 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 here and here. So the exterior means what? That does not include the line segment PQ. So this angle, yes, this does not include line segment PQ. This also does not include this angle and this angle also. If we consider this angle, it includes the line segment PQ as its arm, one of the arm of that angle, but these angles does not include. So these angles are exterior angles. So here, as we given numbers, so this is the 1, 2, then this is 7 and 8. So angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8 are exterior angles. Then interior angles. It is opposite to exterior, that is the lines, the angles formed by transversal whose arms include the line segment PQ are called interior angles. So if we draw the figure as here. This is transversal N, this is line L, this is line M, and interior angles, and this is point P, this is point Q, and interior angles means angles whose arms include line segment PQ. So this includes line segment PQ, this angle also includes line segment PQ, this angle and this angle. So 1 2 3 4, and this is 5 6. So angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are interior angles, as they include line segment P to Q as their one of the arms of that angle. Then with this we go ahead as corresponding angles. So corresponding angles is a pair of angles. We'll just see with the diagram. So let's say L, this is N, L and M. And this is angle. We'll consider all angles over here. 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7 8. This is Q, this is P. So here I will just write down some examples of these corresponding angles in this directly. Angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. Then angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. Then angle 3 and angle 7 are corresponding angles. Angle 4 and angle 8 are corresponding angles. So what they say, two angles are said to be in correspondence if, or two angles on the same side of a transversal are known as corresponding angles. Angles if both, so two angles on the same side of the transversal are known as corresponding angles if there is a condition, if both lie either above two lines or below two lines. So here we'll see angle 1 and 5, they are on the same side of the transversal, that is right side of the transversal, and both lie on the above of the lines L and M respectively. And if we say 4, 3 or 7, they lie on the same side, that is left side of the transversal. This is 3, this is 3, and this is 7. They lie on the same side of the transversal but below the lines L and M, so they are in the correspondence. So these are corresponding angles. Now based on this, alternate interior angles. We'll write down again. So now we'll see alternate interior angles. So let's say this is our line N as a transversal line L and line M, and again we will need this also. So points are P and Q. P and Q. So angle 1 and here angle is 2, and angle 3 and angle 4. So here angle 1, angle 2, pair of angle 1 and 2, and angle 3 and angle 4. I have given random numbers here. So these are alternate interior angles. So what they say, pair of angles in which one arm of each angle is on opposite side. Opposite sides is on opposite sides of the transversal, and whose other arm include segment PQ. So this is the angle, and this is angle. So this one arm of each angle is on the opposite side. So this is one arm of angle 3, and this is one arm of angle 4. They are both on the opposite side. We'll just change the color. So this is one arm of the angle 3, and this is other arm of the angle 3. Both are on the opposite side, but they also have a segment PQ as a common, or one of the arm of these angles. So these are alternate. Same thing, this is their common arm PQ for angle 1 and 2, and this is their other arm. Both are in the opposite direction. So based on that, this is the alternate interior angles. Sorry, this should be my mistake. This should be so the correct 3 and 4 are, this should be 3 and this should be 4, because they are interior, so they lie above the or inside or what you can say, um, their angles include the arm PQ, because previously I have drawn here and they 4 was here, so the arm will be this and arm would be this and this, which was wrong. So I corrected, this is the correct angle, and these now 3 and 4 is the alternate interior angles. We'll go ahead with exterior alternate angle. Now alternate exterior angle. So if we draw like this, and PQ, and exterior means that does not include line segment PQ. So this one will be exterior, we'll call 1, and this one also exterior, we call 2, and one more LM and PQ. Now this would be exterior angle and this would be exterior angle. So angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4 are the pairs of exterior, alternate exterior angles. So what is the condition mathematically? A pair of angles in which one arm of each of the angle is on opposite sides of transversal, and whose other arm do not include segment PQ. So here angle 3 and angle 4, they have, so they have this arm, one arm on the opposite side, yes, and other arm is going ahead, this is going down, so that does not include line segment PQ. That's why they are alternate, though this makes them exterior angles, but their property that their other arms are opposite to each other, they makes it alternate exterior angles. Same thing about this is the first arm, this is the opposite arm, and this is the next arm which does not include line segment PQ, hence alternate exterior angles.